Okay guys, so we just come across, going to get a grab over here to Chinatown. This is Chinatown, the first time here in Bangkok. Bubba's wants a drink. What is it? Pomegranate juice. That looks good.
Which one do you want? Pomegranate?
That one. Yeah, that one. Pomegranate juice, Bubba. A few tuk-tuks. BANGKOK is lovely here. What is it?
Red chestnut.
Chestnut.
That's the durian.
The durian. There's a tuk-tuk there. They look really cool with their lights. Eat, yeah, lobsters there. Bubba wants to eat all the time. Everyone's enjoying themselves here in Chinatown. Smorgasbord there. It's a smorgasbord. What's this lady doing? She's eating about food all the time, Bubba. Are you hungry? Cooking on the side. Bubba's hungry. Well, there's prawns. They give me the raw prawns here in Chinatown. They're not raw, they're certainly well cooked. Prawns. What are you after, Bubba?
Omelette. Thai food. Thai food, Bubba.
Thai food? You hungry, Bubba? No, Bubba.
Egg fried rice. You check. Stir fried egg noodle. We have here the meow vegetables. We have
Bubba know what she's looking for? Bubba, let's explore. Don't about eating all the time. Bubba wants to eat all the time. No, Bubba, let's look around a bit.
yeah.
Oh wow, this is close. There's not much room here. I think the bike's the best way to get around here in Chinatown. Bubba's just running and trying to lose me. Hey, it's all lit up really nice here. It's actually a better Chinatown than here. Okay, Bubba, just get this shot over here. This looks really pretty here. Look at this lights here. Look at that. G'day guys, Jim coming at you. And Bubba was heading to Khaosan Road. He's hanging on for life because he's going fast, this guy. So China, we just looked around. We just looked around Chinatown, and now we're heading to Khaosan Road. I have no idea what Khaosan Road's about, but apparently Bubba's done a research or watched a YouTube video or something like that, and he is flying along anyway. Hope we get there safe. So yeah, take a look around. We're going over to the other side. We've been trying to see as much as we can. We've caught up on a bit of sleep, and Bubba said you got to experience the tuk-tuk a few times, so we're experiencing the tuk-tuk a few times. So the guy said he'd do Chinatown to Khaosan Road for 300 baht, and we're going down to 200, I think it was. Okay.